Welcome to Cymber Metal, your trusted global one-stop partner for premium copper, aluminum, and bronze materials and precision processing services. Strategically located in China's manufacturing heartland, we operate a powerful network of 7 state-of-the-art warehouses across Zhejiang and Jiangsu provinces. Our 5 specialized warehouses are dedicated to maximum depth and variety, offering the most complete specifications of red copper bars and bus bars, aluminum plates and profiles, copper plates, strips and tubes. Complementing them are our 2 large comprehensive warehouses, which provide full coverage of bronze alloys, plus flexible on-site cutting and retail services. Together, these 7 warehouses ensure we can fulfill almost any material requirement quickly and reliably. But we don't just supply raw materials. What truly sets Cymber Metal apart is our complete vertical integration. In our advanced manufacturing workshops, we deliver full in-house processing capabilities that many suppliers simply cannot match. Watch as we perform high-precision CNC machining on copper and aluminum parts, followed by expert electrical bus bar design, bending, punching, and assembly. Every bus bar is then finished with professional electroplating and surface treatment, delivering superior conductivity, excellent corrosion resistance, and a premium appearance that meets the highest industry standards. Every single order at Cymber Metal follows a rigorous process, starting with our massive ready stock, moving through strict multi-layer quality inspection and non-destructive testing, and ending with precision processing tailored to your exact specifications. This seamless workflow guarantees tight tolerances, consistent quality, and 0 surprises. Thanks to our strong supply chain and efficient logistics partners, we are proud to offer 24-hour dispatch for all in-stock materials and fast turnaround for custom processed parts, with reliable delivery to any port or destination worldwide. At Cymber Metal, we are committed to more than just supplying metal. We deliver complete peace of mind, reliable quality, competitive pricing, and on-time delivery every single time. Ready to streamline your supply chain with a true one-stop partner you can count on? Send us your project specifications, drawings, or material requirements today. Our team will provide a fast, accurate quote and inventory check within hours. Thank you for watching. We look forward to supporting your success around the world.